Hi sir, in this video I will explain you how you can use a dropshipping plugin on your website. First of all, log into your website. Then when you log into your website, I have added Ali Dropship Go plugin over here. You will go over here and when you click on import products, you will go to import products. Okay, and direct from you will click on this is basically a list of directory that is available like 50 import products. You don't have to do anything with that one, leave as it is. Okay, so you can select it from here. Okay, now I will go to direct import from AliExpress. Click on that. If you don't have an extension installed, you will install the extension first. Like when you explain, let me remove the extension from mm, my end. First let me remove that one. Okay, when you add the extension you will add your website over here. Okay, in the go when you go to Ali Dropship and you will connect your store. Like I will copy that extension from here. Like I will copy the website URL. Okay, let me do that first for you. Now I will go to Ali Dropship extension and add my website name over here. Okay, add. Let me now I will connect my store with that one. Now click on login and you will add your authorize your store with that Agromax. Okay, now your message extend authorize. Okay, now I will again go to my website and refresh the one. Okay, now I can export unlimited product direct from AliExpress. I will click on this one. Okay, now I am on the AliExpress website. Okay, now in the AliExpress website, let's suppose I search some product like mobile camera. Let's suppose mobile cover, mobile cover iPhone 11. When I am on AliExpress, I can see that I can have uh, option over here. Now I will click on this one, this mobile option over here, and now I can see the import to shop option over here. Okay, now I will click on import and it will import the product in the website. And I will click on this import as well. Okay, and the product added to your import list. Okay, you can see now I will if I go to my website back again. Now you can see that I have added this product. Okay, now I go to Agromax dashboard and I will go to my product setting. Let me all products. Now you see the product that I have added over here. Okay, now you see that Tunisli for iPhone, and here I have added Tunisli for iPhone. If I want to edit this product or view this product, I will click on view. Okay, and you can see the product has been added on my website Agromax. Okay, you will choose and color variation is already added. Let's suppose I choose blue. If it is available, then it will say that you can purchase that product. Let's suppose I go to checkout and in there I have enabled cash on delivery option here just because it tests things. Okay, place an order. Cash on delivery is enabled just to show you that there is something that has to be tested. Okay, now all this billing information is over here. Okay, if someone used Stripe or his Visa card, the amount will be transferred into your account. Now You can see the orders from order list. WooCommerce orders. Okay, in the order list, you will see that Walid Raza Malik with vendor no name has ordered this one 24 seconds ago. Okay, now I will click on this one and I can change the status of the Tunisia for iPhone. Now let's suppose I am saying that it's processing. Let's suppose I can change the status like completed. Okay, and I will invoice to the user and okay, let me update this one first. Okay, now what you have to do for auto placement, like customer come to your website and purchase this product and amount has been deposited in your account, in your Stripe account, like you see in your account, Stripe account, you have amount represented. This time I use cash on delivery, so you don't have to worry about it. It will be disabled. Okay, now I if I want to place that information on my AliExpress account, now I will click on place order automatically, and now they're saying that the checking authorization, you're not authorized. Now I have to log in my AliExpress account. Mean you will log in your AliExpress account. Okay, now let's suppose here is my AliExpress account already created with the email account and a password, so I will log in. Okay, now I think I have forgotten a password of AliExpress, I guess. Now already one product has been added in my cart, let's suppose. So I will buy that product from here. Now I want to check one thing. Continue. Now it's automatically involving all that data and picking that data. Okay, added. Now you can see that it has gone to shoppingcart.aliexpress.com. Okay, now it will display the price of that product. Like you can see, it has added the product over here. Now you will click on buy. Okay, now you can see shipping information, house number 3, Avanti, Defense Road, New Lalata, Rawalpindi. All that information is present over here. Okay, now it has basically picked all the information automatically. Let's suppose see over here, edit. Okay, now here, New Lalazar, Rawalpindi. All that information is added over here. Okay, thank you. This was how you can place an order on AliExpress. Okay, now you can see in the bottom all the detail is given. Order review. Okay, stop. You can now. Last thing that I forget. If you want to edit some product prices or something, you can go to products again. All products. And if you want to change some price of the product, you can update the price by clicking on the edit button as well. Okay. Now, basically, you can select the categories from here, like which category you want to add from here. Tools it's selected, and you can change the price and all that settings from here of the product. You can remove the pictures and add your own content and all that things over here. Okay, so you can check the product settings, product layout, header, title, and all that things are explained over here. Okay, thank you.